Hi, I'm Prashant. In this video, I will explain how you can automate sending of Facebook lead ads to Google Sheets in real time. The main problem with lead ads is that the leads generated from Facebook lead ads will be in the business account and you will have to manually download it. You will have to dump these leads and also feed into the CRM or share the CSV. The leads are not processed in real time, which is a problem for your business. The solution is Leado. It will help you in processing any leads coming in from lead ads and move them into Google Sheets in real time. This platform will help you in optimizing business operations across all teams. Leado lets you integrate systems like Facebook lead ads with Google Sheet. I will sign in with my existing Leado account using my Facebook. Once I am signed in, I will be taken to a screen where I can integrate Facebook and Google. Since I am an existing account holder, my Facebook and Google are already integrated. I will click on continue to proceed. Now I will filter all the lead ads that is coming in through my account by page name. I will say page name equals Leado. Only these lead ads should get into the Google Sheet that I'm configuring right now. I have already created an example Google Sheet. It's called example with three fields: name, email, and mobile. I will select that example sheet here with sheet 1 as the sheet name, and all the three columns will appear over here. I will map it to the right columns, columns with the right field that is coming in through lead ad. For example, name should be the name of the person who's filling the lead ad. Once done, I will just name this as example lead ads to Google Sheet and save this flow. Once the flow is created, I want to test how this lead ad is working. So I'll click on a link that is given over here to test the lead ad. This will take me to a Facebook tool called Lead Ads Testing Tool. Here I'll select a sheet name and in the view form section I'll enter dummy values for email, full name and phone number and click on submit. Once I submit, I can go back and check on the sheet that I've configured with this flow. It came in just now. So in real time, the leads are being pushed from my lead ads to Google Sheet. I can also track events on Leado as to for how many events, how many actions were taken.